Hey guys, this is Ben from Overland Garage, and today we're going to be talking about Surviveware's first aid kits. So stay tuned. And so you're backpacking or you're going through the woods and you're like, man, I really need something to kind of carry with me. So I want to talk about, first of all, the small kit from Surviveware, and this is a first aid kit, and I'll show that to you in just a second. So this is the small first aid kit from Surviveware, and this is perfect if you're just gonna go backpacking or you want to have something to throw in your bag for the day or doing a day trip. And this literally has almost everything I can think of that you would need in a small trauma situation, and every single one of their kits comes with a CPR kit, and everything is very well detailed. You pull this out and it gives you all the instructions you'd possibly need. And I mean, this kit is really well put together, and there's not much more I can say about it. I mean, I could go through every single one of these one by one, but I'll leave a description and a link to each one of these kits on this video. And the next kit I'm going to talk about is this large one. So this has small trauma, large trauma, and then this was, like I've talked about before, this is the free gift they gave me. This is the tourniquet. And like I said, this also, the large kit also has an even smaller first aid kit. So if you really wanted to get compact, this comes with their large kit. And this kit is really well put together. Everything is labeled. Everything is individually wrapped. So I mean, you literally can open this kit up and go right to what you need. It's because it's labeled and it's right there, and it's easy to use. So. And then the last one I'm going to talk about is this waterproof large survival kit. Now, it doesn't have the small kit in it, but I mean, it's still got everything you need in it. I use this one personally in my snowmobile. It's nice because it's a rugged case, but it's also got a waterproof zipper on it. So if you're out snowmobiling, in my case, or watercraft, anything where water would be an issue, this is perfect. I think it's less than $100, but it's way worth the money because it's a nice kit. And the other thing that I like about every single Surviveware survival kit that I get is every single one of them on the back side has Velcro, and it comes with a strap kit, so you can strap it to the back side of your headrest or any molly panel. So these things are ultra great if you're overlanding and you want to put these in every single one of your vehicles. Now, I personally have one of these kits in every single vehicle and every backpack, and I highly recommend them to everybody. I mean, you think about it. You want to go out into the wilderness and you're thinking like, I need to go out to the store, I need to buy all these things individually. Really, Surviveware has done the homework for you. You can go online to their website and pick out any of these kits. They even have huge, large survival kits that are way more intricate. So I mean, literally, Surviveware is your one-stop shop, and you can get everything you need. And I mean, I've just got the basic necessities, and it's way more than I think I'd ever use, and it's really reasonably priced. So if you use my link that's in the description here, you'll get 10% off your order, and the more you spend, the more you save. So definitely check out surviveware.com, and thanks for watching Overland Garage. And also, hey, if you like anything that you see here, don't be afraid to put a comment down there and help a guy out. I want to know what you guys are using. So like and subscribe this video and get out there and explore. So